Good evening, people. Yo, what's up? We're feeling good today. It's another great day. So just like I promised yesterday, after I took the trade, I would be back here to give you the results whether I had made a profit or whether I had made a loss. Either way, I would have been on here making this video. Get my say? So yeah, my people, what's up? What's happening? What's going on? It's me again, Fluidity FX, back at it, back with the charts. And we just go give a breakdown of the day basically. As you can see, the charts are really messy, but part of the work, right? All of this goes into helping or determines whether I make profit or if I make a loss, right? So around this area here, we can see my entry was actually 0.67720. So let me see if I can make it more visible, highlight it a little more, so you guys can see my entry point properly. Okay. So we're feeling really good today. Took like 4 entries and we got 3 out of 4, lost 1 trade. So so this purple line that you see right here, right there, that purple line, hopefully you can see it. So you can look to the right of your screen. It's in purple. That sorry, that was my entry point. As you see, market did what it had to do. Or stop loss was actually adjusted my stop loss and brought it above this line up here, which is a weekly descending trend line, a downward trend line. So I placed my stop loss above there. So as you can see, the market came down and it entered me here. Wow. Burn up. Why? The market came down and triggered the entry point, and then it went up into our stop loss area and hovered a little bit until it finally came down. We actually never smashed. We never got a smash TP like we did yesterday. So the market came into close boundaries into hitting our TP like 5 pips out, and it never actually went there. So we ended up have to manually exit the trade. But regardless, we still made profit, right? And that's the greatest part of it. So after that was done, so entry point right here, market triggered our entry, went against us, and then came down, almost hit our TP, never did. We manually exited. Anyways, this right here was news. All of this was news. All of that was news, right? So these 2 candles were news. Came in at 7:30 this morning. So the market shoot down and it popped right back up, right? But we would have already been expecting it to come down there because we had our daily low and all of that marked out, right? So anyways, when the market came back up, I had another entry right here. I wonder if I should, let me change the color. Which color should I do that? Let me use blue. So yeah, we had our entry right around here, and let me look at the entry, give it the exact entry point. Give me a second. So the entry point for this entry was actually 0.67967, and our take profit here was 0.67611. And as you can see, that one, our TP got smashed. So we never have to manually exit out of that trade. It came all the way through, boom, mash up the TP. You get me? So that was nice. And further to my right here is where I'm actually looking at another setup round about the same area as this one. So I'm looking for, I'm assuming you know, that the market will come back into this area, trigger the entry point, and, you know, flush all the way down. And if that happens, we'll be looking for a total of give me a second here. We would be looking at a total of almost 70 pips, 67.8 pips. So that's pretty good. And depending on what lot size you will be using, you know, say that a couple of hundreds or a couple of thousands. As you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man, if it is that you guys, as I said, like, share, subscribe, if it is that you guys like content and like what I'm doing, if it makes sense to you, then go ahead and by all means follow me. Let me just put the disclaimer out there again, as we have to keep on doing this. What I am doing here on my charts and what I'm talking about is no means financial advice. So I am not telling you to take up your money and do what I'm doing, but if it makes sense to you and you're a fan of trading, then, you know, do your own analysis, risk management, and place trades if you feel comfortable to. You get what I'm saying? So yes, people, that was 2 entries on the one pair, Australian dollar versus US dollar, and basically we made profit on both entries. You get what I'm saying? So that was really, really lovely. Yeah, man. I don't do signals because I don't want to be held responsible for anybody's money. So I do not do signals. But you can look at my chart and see if it lines up with your perspective. And feel free to, if you want to take your money, by all means. So that was the first one. So let's move to the one that I actually lost, or manually edit that one too, because I got greedy. I got greedy, man, and the market, what it was supposed to do, it was my fault. I would have encountered or, you know, made a loss on that trade. So let's go through it here. So that 7:30 news again affected the entire market. So this move right here was on news. That area was on news. All of that was news, right? Yeah. So let me show you guys where I got greedy. Like, come on, what's happening here? Come on, man. Okay. So yeah. So this is what happened. So I was entered into this trade, and that was for what? Roughly 40 pips, and that one, I can clearly see that the TP was smashed on that one. So we made profit from that one, right? And then now, me with my greedy self, never wait. I was supposed to wait on this trend line to be broken for a confirmation, and I did not do that, man. So I was trying to place a buy limit entry. I wanted market to retrace down here. I wanted market to retrace down here. Let me use the tool. I wanted market to retrace down here, and then I was looking for this move to come back all the way up here, right? It was good intention, but I needed to have waited on my confirmation, so that was my bad. So, you know, when the news read, you get all of this rectangle start coming down, and I'm like, whoa, crap. That was like 50 pips. You understand? So I would have made, you know, I would have got 40 pips and lost 50 pips. So I was like, in total profit and loss, I would have been $1 in the negative. See? But anyways, I never let that phase me. That was the first L. And I know I'm gonna make it back anyway, so I'm not even gonna watch that. See, because the markets are still running, so we'll see what happens. I'm gonna enter some trades. So that was the first L. So I had a win, and then I had a win right here. So I had a win right here for this one. Win. And put a smiley face. So I had a win right there, and then I had a loss right here, man. I had a loss right here. Let me see if I can get a frown face. I got here. Yeah, I got a loss right there. But it is what it is. See? Moving on. Moving on, my people. Moving on. So the next trade I entered was actually on Ethereum. This was on Ethereum. This was another beautiful trade. You know what I mean? So I've been on point. This, but also this was one that I had to manually exit out of, because like look at this, people. My TP area was 1000.73, and market price came down to 1002.92. That was like two pips, or 20, probably 20 pips away from hitting my actual take profit target, right? So I mean, it was what it is. I would have loved to have, it's a great feeling to have market just run straight to your TP, like an achievement moment. But regardless, we still made profit. You understand? So there you can see the trade breakdown. We were triggered, the market triggered our entry right here. Let me make a marker right there. Market triggered our entry right here. Understand? Well, rather it was up now. It was over on this side. So it was actually, yes, it was actually the news that got us entered into the market. Yeah, that was it. That's how it happened. So the news came on, and then the market came, went into the entry point area, and then it waterfall fell off. You get what I say? But it's only unfortunate that it never went straight through. But whatever, we took profit and we came out successful. We made profit at the end of the day. So I mean, over and over, we had one win for Ethereum, another win on Australian dollar versus US dollar, another win on AU because we took two trades. Right? I get tongue tied. We took two trades on AU, and we lost one on gold. So all in all, we get 3 out of 4 for the day, and that is more than perfect. That's like 90 or 99% win rate for the day. From since Tuesday, it would have been the only one. It would have been the only trade I lost since Monday night, rather. Understand? So I mean, it's going pretty good. I can't complain. I'm super duper happy. I've been getting some really good entries and to get into the market, so I'm really happy. And yeah, we're supposed to do some more markups. I'll look at some more charts, but that is just an update as relating to our results from the earlier trades that we took. And yeah, it was a good day. So thank you all for watching. Continue, like, share, subscribe, get the thing out there. You did. Boom, like that.